this corner is very dark. There's no light that reaches here. So this is why I thought it was a really perfect space to add a fabric core greenhouse. And this is where I store a lot of my plants that need a little bit more consistent lighting. These lights over here are actually grow lights. So these two, Ficus ruby and this Ficus tiniki, have been growing here for many, many years actually.
This is the middle section of my space, and for these plants in particular, they don't get a lot of natural sunlight. So what I've opted to do is add grow light bulbs into this lamp so that it kind of gives them the light they need, but also kind of adds grow lights in a more aesthetic way compared to some of the other options out there where it's a little bit more obvious that you're trying to add grow lights.
And this is the main plant shelf, I call it. I put grow lights all over it because during the summertime, it sometimes doesn't get as much natural light as I would like. And some of the plants will do better with more light. So I installed grow lights for all of them.
For this shelf, I also have grow lights. They're all on a timer, which is really nice because I don't have to worry about running around my house and turning on all of these lights and turning them off at the end of the day. This one wakes me up in the morning, goes off at 7 a.m., which isn't a bad way to wake up. I don't need to set an alarm. I just have a nice warm glow of light with my plants to wake me up in the morning. I really like how this shelf turned out.